Hey guys, what's up? Channel's 4 years old now. Yeah, I've been putting videos out for 4 years because that's what I just said and that's what that means. So, anyway, I got to thinking like when I was four, I was pretty accomplished. I had driven a truck accidentally before, and yeah, there was that. Pretty much exclusively drank lemonade and watched Ninja Turtles. So, yeah, I don't know how that relates to my channel, but that's the only experience I have with four. Anyway, so this is getting weird. I um I don't really know what I expected 4 years ago from this channel, and I don't really know what I have 4 years after. Man, this is getting weird. There's gonna be a lot of edits where I just like cut out a bunch of like blank random stuff. So what I wanted to say was like thanks for everybody that's been here for a while. Thanks for everybody that's been here for a day. Thanks for anybody that's just now subscribed. It's right over there somewhere. Just go ahead and do that. Hit the like button. This video is terrible. Sorry about that. I usually cook stuff, believe it or not. And, oh, so going forward, I don't really know what all I'm going to do, but I would like to get more southern because, I'm pretty southern. So I'm going to try and do some really short videos, like 2 or 3 minute videos where I just focus in on one southern foodie kind of thing. So that's kind of the plan. If you didn't get the channel anything for its birthday, don't feel bad. Just go and watch another one of my videos somewhere. I don't know. I'm pointing at random things right now. So, but you know how to find me and all that good stuff. Anyway, really appreciate everybody that's watched and liked and commented and shared videos and all that stuff. And yeah, just thanks for being there. Oh, and going forward on those southern food things, if you have something that you want to learn how to cook or want to see me cook, let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks, guys.